Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Alright everyone, today again I want to explain something very important and very practical to you. Many people talk about machine learning, but very few actually understand how machine learning really works behind the scenes. So I found this image which is very simple on the internet, and I thought this is the best way to explain the full machine learning process in one flow. If you look at this image on the screen, it shows the complete journey of a machine learning model, starting from data and ending with real working system. So let me walk you through this step by step in very simple words. So everything in machine learning starts with data collection. So you don't start with algorithms in the first stage itself. You don't start with models. You have to start with data. You collect data from different sources like database, sensors, APIs, or even simple files. This data can be structured or unstructured. The important thing here is without data, nothing happens in machine learning. Once the data is collected, you then move to data pre-processing. And this step is extremely important. Real world data is very messy. So you clean the data, you remove duplicates, you handle missing values, and you format it properly. If your data is bad, your model will also be bad, no matter how advanced the algorithm you have. So after pre-processing, you need to split the data. This means you divide your data into two parts, training data and testing data. Usually, most of the data used for training and smaller part is kept aside for testing. This will help you to check whether your model is actually learning or just memorizing. Next comes algorithm selection. Here, we need to decide which algorithm have to be used based on the problem we are solving. Sometimes you may use decision trees, sometimes neural networks, sometimes something simpler. There is no one best algorithm for us. So choose based on the task and the data. After choosing the algorithm, we move into model training. So this is where the actual learning happens. The model looks at the training data and tries to find patterns. It makes mistakes, learns from those mistakes, and slowly that improves. This process happens using optimization techniques like gradient descent. Once the model is trained, you can evaluate it. You test the model on data it has never seen before. You can use metrics like accuracy or error values to understand how well your model is performing. This step tells you whether your model is ready or still it needs improvement. If the performance is not good enough, you move into hyperparameter tuning. This means you adjust different settings of the model to improve its performance. The goal here is to avoid overfitting and underfitting and find the right balance. Once the model is performing well, we can go ahead for deploying it. This means you integrate the model into an application or an API so it can be used in the real world. But the work doesn't stop here. We have to monitor the model's performance continuously because real world data keeps changing. That's why we have the final step, that is continuous learning. You retrain the model with new data so it stays relevant and accurate over the time. So machine learning is not a one-time task. It is an ongoing process. So if you are learning machine learning and feeling confused, just remember this simple flow. Data comes first, then cleaning, then training, then testing, then finally real world usage. Once you understand this life cycle, Once you understand this life cycle, everything else becomes much easier. If this explanation helped you to understand how machine learning works, let me know in the comments. And if you want a practical example where I explain this entire process using a real data set, comment example below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.